Welcome to a comprehensive deep dive into the art and precision of ceramic wall tile installation. In this masterclass tutorial, we embark on a journey that transcends basic construction. This is about attention to detail, craftsmanship, patience, and the satisfaction of transformation. Whether you're a homeowner, an aspiring craftsman, or a seasoned professional, this video offers a wealth of knowledge to empower you in creating a flawless tiled wall finish from start to finish. Part 1. Foundations of wall tile installation, * before the first tile touches the wall, we must understand the wall itself. Preparation begins with evaluating wall integrity. We teach you how to test for moisture, hollow plaster, efflorescence, uneven sections, or weak points. You'll learn about various types of substrates, from concrete to cement render, drywall, to waterproof gypsum, and how each requires specific treatment. * We go further to show how to clean, prime, and seal walls, including how to scrape off old paint and dust. Fill cracks using flexible repair compounds, * level uneven areas with cementitious skim coats, * apply bonding agents for per-adhesion surfaces, * seal damp zones with waterproofing membranes or epoxy primers, * We also cover how to plan for tile weight versus substrate capacity, including reinforcement advice if your tiles are heavy or if you're working on weak partitions. Part 2. Planning your tile layout strategically. * A beautiful wall starts with a brilliant layout plan. You'll discover how to draw a full-scale mock-up of your wall on graph paper. Calculate the optimal height of your first row to avoid tiny slivers at the top. * Mark reference lines with spirit levels, laser tools, or chalk lines. * Center the layout to avoid unbalanced edges. Consider visual flow. If tiling across multiple walls, adjust the layout to accommodate switches, outlets, or bathroom fixtures. * We emphasize symmetry, flow, and aesthetic proportion as much as technical precision. Part 3. Selecting tiles, adhesives, and tools. * Choosing the right material is crucial. In this chapter, we explore * tile types: ceramic, porcelain, stoneware, mosaic, glazed, and unglazed. * Selecting appropriate adhesive types: flexible, rapid set, ready mixed, or waterproof. * How climate affects adhesive choice: hot, dry versus humid zones. * Tools of the trade: trowels, spacers, suction cups, wet saws, laser levels, rubber floats. * Safety equipment: gloves, goggles, knee pads, dust masks. * You'll learn how tile properties, size, thickness, absorption rate affect installation technique and curing time. Part 4. Mixing adhesive to perfection. * We demonstrate reading and following manufacture ratios, how to mix powder and water with a paddle mixer. * The importance of slake time resting the mix, remixing for consistency, adjusting viscosity depending on wall porosity or weather. * We offer formulas for calculating how much adhesive you need based on tile size and coverage area. Part 5. Installing the tile from first row to finish. * This section is a step-by-step, tile-by-tile demonstration of spreading adhesive in controlled sections with a notched trowel. Applying the back-buttering method on large format tiles. * Positioning each tile using suction cups and spacers. * Using tile leveling systems to avoid lippage. * Tapping tiles gently to seat them perfectly. Aligning continuously with a spirit level and laser guide. We show both horizontal tiling, robot, and vertical tiling, column by column, including corner techniques and accent tile tips. Part 6. cutting, shaping, and custom fitting asterisk in this long and practical section. You'll learn how to asterisk measure and mark cuts for edge tiles, fixtures, and pipe holes. Use manual cutters for clean straight lines. Employ a wet saw or angle grinder for tough materials and curved cuts. Asterisk. Polish sharp edges with rubbing stones or sanding pads. Asterisk. Create accurate openings for power sockets, switches, faucets, or light fittings. Avoid tile wastage by using remnants efficiently. We provide formulas and hacks to get exact fits, even on tricky spots like uneven corners or tiled niches. Part 7. Keeping your work clean and organized. Asterisk. A clean tiling job is a professional job. Here we walk through cleaning adhesive off tiles as you go, using water buckets and sponges to remove excess before it hardens. Asterisk. Keeping grout joints clean for later filling. Maintaining your tools for consistency. Cleaning your workstation and floor protection practices. Asterisk. We offer tips for preventing contamination, especially when working in wet zones like kitchens or bathrooms. Part 8. Waiting and curing. Knowing when to stop. Asterisk. We explain how long to wait before walking away, how to identify if a tile has slipped during drying. Asterisk. What to do if you find bubbles or adhesive voids behind tiles. Asterisk. How temperature and humidity affect curing. Safety precautions while adhesive sets. Common mistakes to avoid during this critical resting phase. Part 9. Grouting. Bringing out the beauty. Asterisk. Once cured, we dive deep into grouting. Asterisk. Choosing the right grout type. Sanded, unsanded, epoxy, or color-matched. Mixing grout to the right consistency. Applying with a rubber float in sweeping diagonal motions. Asterisk. Compressing grout into joints for water resistance. Cleaning haze and residue. Efficiently buffing tiles to their final shine. Asterisk. We cover grouting mosaics, textured tiles, or narrow joints separately. Part 10. Finishing touches. Elevating your work. Asterisk. Final steps make all the difference. Asterisk. Applying silicone or flexible caulk at wall floor joints or corners. Asterisk. Installing trim profiles for a modern finish. Sealing grout if needed. Final inspection and quality check. Asterisk. Tips for photographing your finished project for your portfolio. Asterisk. We also explain how to fix a tile after installation if you later find a defect without damaging surrounding tiles. Part 11. Troubleshooting and pro secrets. Asterisk. This bonus section covers common errors like crooked tiles, adhesive bleeding through joints. Asterisk. Uneven grout lines, hollow sounds behind tiles, cracked corners, or chipped edges. We reveal tricks like butterfly tile cut for perfect internal corners using painter's